What is going on, guys? So this video is basically gonna be a lot of good news and a lot of bad news. Good news number one, the engine is out of the car and completely tore down to just the block. Now, I know you guys were wanting footage of all that, and I do have that footage, but I watched it over, I edited the videos, and in my opinion, they are just so boring. And I hate posting boring videos, but I feel like most of the videos lately have been super boring because I haven't been able to do anything because the car has just been sitting here and it's all the little tedious work and the little things. And in my opinion, I don't really like filming that, and I don't feel like it is good for you guys either. So that's why I didn't film it. If you guys do want me to post that video, comment down below and I might post that video of all the stuff when I was pulling the engine out and everything. I know a few of you guys will want to see that, and I am sorry if I don't end up posting it. But I just cannot get the motivation to film and make the videos entertaining and everything like that. But let's get on to the bad news of today's video, and that is that the 300ZX block is pretty much destroyed. Let me show you guys the culprit. It is right here. This little piece right here. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I smashed the shit out of my finger. I don't know if you guys can see. This is a little piece of a piston ring. So the piston ring in this cylinder, I'll show you real quick. This cylinder right here, the piston ring in that cylinder was literally shattered. Or well, not shattered, it was broken. And that was a little piece that was off of it. And basically it's scored. I don't know if you guys can see if it'll focus. I don't know if you can see right there. Well, yeah, you can see it right there. You can feel it deep. So I wanted to bore out the block and run custom pistons. I can't use that block. So I made a decision. I was sitting down, I was talking to Haley, and I was really going over like everything. And I really want to have a car that runs, that's fun for this summer. And I was looking and there's no way that the Z was gonna get done in time, and if it was gonna get done in time, it would be super rushed and definitely not look as good as I want it to look. So I made a decision, and I will show you guys what you probably already know what I did, but it's actually, I'm not trying to give it away yet. But basically, let me tell you guys the plan on the 300ZX and for the channel. So I wanna take my time with the car and make this thing look amazing, do the engine bay, all that stuff. I'm going to most likely do a swap just because rebuilding the engine is not really, I gotta find a block, and I feel like I really wanted to swap the car anyways just to make the maintenance easier down the road because I know these cars do have a lot of problems. So I'm pretty much gonna swap it. So I'm gonna sell all of the good parts from that block, keep the transmission because whatever swap I do run, I'm probably gonna run that transmission because it's a good transmission. All the gears feel amazing and it's awesome. But yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know because I just talked about it today, which this video will be tomorrow for me, obviously. So yeah, but this is what 300ZX is looking like. Engine all out. Look how dirty this is. I already started, and that's how I knew how long it was gonna take on sanding this bay down and getting everything cleaned up. Like it is a mess. And then the person before me that painted did such a terrible job and just painted on everything. So it's just gonna take way too long, and I really want to go to car meets and see, some of you guys are local. I love seeing you guys at meets and stuff like that, and I just, it's not the same going to a meet in my girlfriend's car, like with her in a Hyundai. Like it's just not the same. Nothing's wrong with the Hyundai, but the Hyundai Sonata and the Hyundai Elantra that we have, it just wasn't fun, and I didn't enjoy it, and I was really, upset that I didn't have a car to drive, and just on a daily basis I didn't have a car that was fun to let out my frustrations and whatnot, like a lot of you guys probably do. You go for a little drive when you're upset or happy or whatever. Cars are literally my life, and I haven't been able to drive it in a long time. One, from my accident, then as soon as I got healed from the accident enough where I could drive and post videos, the motor blows, and I have basically spent all this time painting the car, and the motor's blown and everything like that. So I did a thing, and I'm gonna walk outside and I'm gonna show you guys what I did. It's pretty crazy. I definitely did something like really sporadic, and I'm gonna make a video tomorrow going over everything about this car. But, oh, I just gave it away. It's a car. I bought a new car. Or another car. Not a new car. It's not new. But it freaking looks new. It's super nice. I love it. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the car. And then in the next video, I will go over all the stuff that the car has and kind of like my plans for the car. But this is it. This is a 2006 G35. Yes, it's manual, low miles. It's amazing. I'll go over all the details tomorrow, but like I said, I just wanted to show you guys the car. It looks so beautiful. Like, it is clean. Like when I show you guys everything that's done to it, you're gonna be like, I don't know, it's definitely one of the cleanest ones I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. Jeez, beautiful. I started driving this or this, which are both Haley's cars. So all I had was this, and obviously it's broken, so not much I can do there. But yeah, so I'm sorry this was a short video, but I kind of wanted to address all of that stuff. Comment down below if you think it was a good idea to go ahead and get another fun car, get a G35, and then take my time with the 300 where I'm not rushing and doing stuff half-assed and not the right way. And yeah, and tell me if you're excited for the G35 or if I made a huge mistake and you know, you're gonna unfollow because you know, we're gonna be taking a little bit of attention from the 300 and we're gonna be focusing a lot on the G35 for just a little bit. I feel like I need to spice it up because I've gotten a lot of comments and stuff talking about I'm like losing the motivation, like they can see it in the videos, and I definitely feel that way 100%. It's not that I'm bored with the car, it's just so much stuff and so time consuming that, you know, I don't know. But yeah, so we got a G35. I'm gonna play that footage now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, peace out.